So I heard you guys wanted to see another video of somebody ripping lips. Well, here you go. Bobber and worm on the Shakespeare. And we got this setup for the bass. Let's see who wins, Akuma or Shakespeare? Trout or bass?
I think we got a trout first, boys.
Solid fish. Just got this bad boy on the Akuma. Akuma won, Shakespeare won.
Oh yeah.
Let's give this dude a snack before he goes back in. Oh yeah. Akuma 2, Shakespeare 1. Oh, fish number 3 on the Akuma.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's go.
Team bass all day, baby. Team bass. Let's go. Look at that trout. Super nice. Oh yeah. Another bass. Check this bad boy out. Let's go.